It is currently 4:47 a.m., 4:48 now, in Mesa, Arizona. You may be wondering, why am I up so early? Well, today, me and some friends are going to hike Cibecue Falls, Arizona, and I think it's going to be 116 degrees. So, only way to get anything done in Arizona is to leave at 5 in the morning. I'm still going to send it. My friend said be here at 5 a.m. I'm actually 3 minutes late. He's actually here before me. I'm a little surprised. He bought my merch.
I know I should have done this, should have quit this long ago. Can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to let it go.
We just made it to the waterfall, and holy crap, this thing is amazing.
About time to flee, but there's something holding on.
My camera's about to die, so the rest is just gonna be drone footage.
The way of being long gone.